I tell you about it, but you know, at this time of year, you just plain don't need it. If you want to practice your technique, which is the important thing on making casts, I can show you how to do it with yarn. This simulates fly line. If you want to practice at home with an ice fishing rod and some yarn, you can see. But the key to fly casting is keeping your rod between 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. And when you make your back cast, make sure that you let the line straighten out behind you and then go forward. Make sure it straightens out at both ends. And you see how I can get full length both ways? Move my arm back, but keep the rod between 11 and 1. Now, if I don't wait, it piles up at my feet. This is a difficulty many fly casters have. They start their back cast and forecast too soon. Let it stretch out behind and then take it forward. See? It's easy, especially if you're using short lengths of line. I want to show you something here. We're at the KOA right outside of Lansing. They let us come in at a pond here that they have stocked. Come on down here, Dick, and look at the bluegill in here. There's bluegill, there's rock bass every now and then. A big bass cruises through. They're sitting here in the shallow water, around beds, on beds, and watch what happens when I put in this rubber spider. Here comes one. Here they come, smacking it, knocking it out of the way. Some of them are hungry. I'll get it out there a little farther if I can. Right there, that's the spot. Oh, I got him, I got him. He's just a little one, but look at him fight. There's scrappers at this size. A lot of fun to catch. Look at that. It's easy to do. I wasn't even making a cast here, that close into the shallows. But you can catch bluegill like this. We do have a recipe coming up where you might even want to cook one this size. But when they're out on the beds at this time of year, they come fast and furious.